Hey guys, my name is Fahad Zaman. So is it possible to hack Facebook? We all use Facebook and many of us have searched on YouTube how to hack Facebook. But the question is, can we hack Facebook account? Is it possible for a normal user to hack anybody's Facebook account? So there is no system in this world that cannot be hacked. Every system, every network can be hacked. Similarly, Facebook can also hack. So in this video, we are going to reveal all the methods that hackers use to hack Facebook account. Security is the first priority to many users, so be aware from hackers and protect your Facebook account from hackers. The main purpose of sharing this video is to aware you. I will show you top 8 working ways to hack Facebook account. Be aware of all attacks and protect your Facebook account from hackers. So before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button and bell icon to get the notification on all our future videos. Now you have done that, let's get started. Phishing is still the most popular attack used for hacking Facebook accounts. There are various methods to carry out phishing attack. In simple phishing attacks, a hacker creates a fake login page which exactly looks like the real Facebook page and then asks the victim to log in. Once the victim logs in through the fake page, the victim's email address and password is stored into a text file, and the hacker then downloads the text file and gets his hand on the victim's password. So always avoid emails that ask you to log in your Facebook account or never click on suspicious links. Keylogging is the easiest way to hack a Facebook account. Keylogging sometimes can be so dangerous that even a person with good knowledge of computer can fall for it. A keylogger is basically a small program which once is installed on victim's computer or mobile will record everything victim types on his computer or mobile. The logs are then sent back to the attacker by either FTP or directly to hacker's email address. So always download software from trusted websites. As we all know, whenever we log in with an account in our browser, the browser asks you to save the username and password in a computer. Anyone can hack your Facebook account from your browser password manager. You can visit this URL and can see username and password you saved in your browser. Millions of Facebook users access Facebook through their mobile phones. In case the hacker can gain access to the victim's mobile phone, then he can gain access to Facebook account. There are a lots of mobile spying software used to monitor a cell phone. A victim can install this software into your mobile phone and the software will hide in your phone. So never give your phone to strangers or jealous partner and never install apps from unknown sources. If your browser saved your Facebook login password, then anyone can view your masked password. Hackers just need to alter some changes from inspect element in your browser. Therefore, never leave your PC when it is on the sign up page. There were lots of tutorials on how to hack Wi-Fi network. If you are one of them who use a weak password to set up router security, then any hacker can hack your Wi-Fi network and hijack all your internet traffic, which can let hackers hack Facebook account. So don't use free Wi-Fi or public Wi-Fi, or if you are using public Wi-Fi, always use VPN. If both the victim and attackers are on the same network, an attacker can use a DNS spoofing attack and change the original Facebook page to his own fake page and hence can get access to victim's Facebook account. Session hijacking can be often very dangerous. If you are accessing Facebook on an HTTP non-secure connection. In session hijacking attack, a hacker steals the victim's browser cookie which is used to authenticate the user on a website and use it to access the victim's account. Hackers are also using this method to hack YouTube accounts. So be aware of all these hacking attacks. So that's all for now. Give this video a like and share it with your friends. Comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.